This is a breaking news story from the BBC. Just a few moments ago, Her Majesty's government has now authorised the use to travel only for evacuation purposes only, and will still prosecute people who leave their homes. That is not for evacuations. Evacuations take place around the following areas: Heathrow, Gatwick and Stansted airports are only allowed to serve evacuation flights. Citizens must be tested for the nebula flu and must have passport or identification in hand.
At this time, only British Airways and Air France are allowed to carry out evacuation flights, and will not be paid, since these flights are not for commercial use, only as a last form of rescue. These flights are currently free of charge, however, can change depending on timing. The World Health Organization is working as hard as they can to produce a cure to the nebula flu. Temporary Prime Minister Tony Blair is thinking about the inevitable and is starting to worry about the ongoing situation.
Charlie, London Bridge has fallen. Send it to emergency broadcast.
Say that again?
This is serious. Send it to emergency broadcast. The Queen just died due to the nebula flu.
Oh my god, you better be fucking joking. Oh, yeah, this goes. This is a breaking news message from Channel 4. Please stand by for the following announcements on screen.
Postman Pat, Postman Pat, Postman Pat, and his black and white cat. Early in the morning, just as day is dawning, he picks up all the post bags in his van. Postman Pat, Postman Pat, Postman Pat, and his black and white cat. All the birds are singing, and the day is just beginning. Pat feels he's a really happy man.